So in this video, I'm going to be building a little wooden box for a friend of mine. His birthday's coming up, and thought about something to do for him, make for him, and going to be building a little box that he can carry all of his shoeing supplies in. He owns horses, so I figured it'd be nice to make a little box for him so he can carry that around, and get that taken care of. But yeah, if this is the first time we've met, my name is Jason, and this is my channel, Life to Live For. Welcome to the Homestead. So, for at least a good portion of this video, the generator is going to be running, because there's going to be a lot of sanding going on, obviously cutting wood. So, be prepared, there might just be a lot of music, and just showing what I'm doing, maybe not a whole lot of talking. So, let's go ahead and get to it. box. It's nearly complete. Got all the little dowel pieces sanded down. Pretty smooth. It's must have been some other kind of wood because they're darker, but I don't know. I think it gives a kind of a neat look. Probably look pretty good with when we get it stained. That'll be done within the next day or two. Down in here there was a gap, you know, a little bit on both sides. There we go. This side here was worse because I can't cut a straight line with a circular saw to save my life. But there you have it. Say it turned out pretty good. One thing I did think that was neat is got a little bit of discoloration. It's almost like a bluing up in here. I heard that was caused by some kind of a beetle or something like that in the pine, the tree. So I think that's kind of neat. And then you got the knot over there on the other side. There's a little bit of little things here and there to kind of set it off, make it unique. But we'll go ahead and get it stained, and we'll conclude this video after that. And here it is, the finished box. Now, I should explain why you're seeing a picture and not a video. When we went to stain it, we stained it at night. It was dark out, so the video just wouldn't shown up. And then the very next morning, bright and early, we took it over to our friend's house. So we didn't really get a chance to do a final video on it. And this is the best we can do. But I can tell you that it seems like he loved it, and he's going to put it to some good use. If you like this video and want to see more, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit that notification icon so you don't miss out on another video, and keep kicking up dust.